Good morning. My name is G.Lalith Vignesh. My roll number is 234G1A0577. Today I am giving a second year, second semester CAA2 assignment on the topic of requirement gathering and analysis for the subject software engineering. The subject code is 23CAC403. I am from section B. Thank you for giving this opportunity, and let me start my presentation. Requirement gathering and analysis in software engineering. Introduction to requirements gathering. Requirements gathering is a crucial phase in the software development lifecycle. It involves collecting and defining what the stakeholders need from the software system. This phase sets the foundation for all subsequent development activities. What this essentially means is that requirement gathering is the foundation. It is the base for the development lifecycle of a software. To have a quality software, we need a quality requirement gathering. Without a quality requirement gathering, we cannot have a good project, is what this means. Importance of requirement analysis. Requirement analysis helps in understanding the needs and expectations of users. It ensures that the final product aligns with business goals and user satisfaction. Proper analysis can prevent costly changes and rework later in the development process. What this essentially means is you need to know what you want exactly to start working. If you work and in the middle you want to change it, it will cost you a lot of money. So proper analysis is always required to work efficiently. Key stakeholders involved. Stakeholders can include end users, project managers, and developers. Each stakeholder will have different uses, different needs, different perspectives, and different requirements. Engaging all relevant stakeholders is essential for comprehensive requirements gathering. We can't just extremely rely on one stakeholder to provide all his perspectives and requirements. We need to collect equivalent qualitative data from all the stakeholders to essentially understand the analysis of the requirements. Techniques for gathering requirements. Interviews are a common method for collecting detailed user insights. Surveys and questionnaires can reach a larger audience to gather quantitative data. Workshops and focus groups facilitate collaborative discussions for requirement allocations. What this essentially means is interviews are important for detailed user insights. Even though the quantity is less, the quality is more. But in the case of surveys and questionnaires, even though the quality is less, the quantity is extremely high. And the workshops and focus groups beautifully balances both the quality and quantity of the data that we can gather for the requirements. Types of requirements. Functional requirements specify what a system should do, including features and non-functionalities. Non-functional requirements define how the system performs tasks, like security and usability. Business requirements outline the high-level goals of the organization for the software project. Documenting requirements. Clear documentation is vital for ensuring all stakeholders have a shared understanding. Common formats include use cases, user stories, and formal specifications. Well-documented requirements can serve as a reference throughout the project lifecycle. What this essentially means is, with good documenting, there will come good communication between everyone. Without good documenting, there will be a lot of confusion. So, good documenting is extremely important for the lifecycle of the project. Tools for requirements management. Requirements management tools help track and manage requirements throughout the project. Examples include Jira, Trello, and IBM Engineering Requirement Management tools. These tools can facilitate collaboration, version control, and traceability of requirements. Challenges in requirement gathering. Miscommunication among stakeholders can lead to incomplete or inaccurate requirements. Changing business needs may result in shifting requirements during project life cycle. Time constraints can limit thorough analysis, leading to potential oversights. Best practices for effective requirements gathering. Engaging stakeholders early and continuously through the project. Validate and prioritize requirements to ensure the alignment with the project goals. Use prototypes and mockups to clarify requirements and gather feedback iteratively. Conclusion and future trends. Effective requirement gathering is essential for software development. Emerging trends such as AI and automation are transforming how requirements are captured and analyzed. Continuous improvement in requirements practices will enhance project outcomes and stakeholder satisfaction. My name is G.Lalith Vignesh and this is my presentation. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you.